Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Well, I'm just showing you the tarpaulin here. I'll just go around the other side. This is something that my assistant, the wife that is doing. Just get back far. That's her project. She all by herself she's built it. I'll show you that in another video, but first I'm just showing you what I'm doing out here. Sorry about all the shaking etc. I'm just holding by hand. I'm about to start repairs on my shed roof, which I knew was going to happen when I first bought the shed because it was wrong, but I didn't rectify it, didn't sort it out at the time, you know, readjust it, as I'm waiting for my assistant to get out the road, and it's raining, so I'm just going to show you this bit here. So basically what it is on my shed roof, as you can see there, I hope you can see, yeah, it actually dips. It's dipping, and see it where it's cracking there at the top, and it's actually dipping there, and as it goes there, I'll get a bit closer, and you can see the dip where my solar panel's up there, but it's actually gone down there. See it touching the roof there. It's because there's an actual, I'll just put my hand, there's an actual dip going in like that, and what it is, it's that I don't know, it's chipboard stuff. See, I'll show you, it's got some inside the shed. It's that stuff that's used on the roof, but that's not the cause of that. And as you can see, the rib there, where the rib struts, that's solid. And then on this side, it's dipping again. Now I thought it was my solar panel that was causing the dip, but apparently it wasn't. It's mind you, the little bit of extra weight there has caused it to dip a little bit further than that side, but also I have the same thing happening on the other side of the shed, on both sides of the panels of that centre strut there, which is causing all the problems with it. So I'm going to get out the rain and I'm going to show you what is causing that. And sorry about this, I'm dashing now to get out the rain, so it's going to be a bit shaky and a bit fast, but this is how to get it done. Right, I'm not sure about lighting here. Just turn these on a bit, see if I can get a bit more light. Right, up there, I don't know if you can see it, but there's the strut where it bellies, it bends there, and as you can see, it's actually curved inside the shed, so it's got the curvature going round like that. Now it's the same on that side over there. Just getting the light a bit. As you can see there, on this side here, it's curved a bit there, it's bellied a bit there, and same here. I've had to take all the insulation off and everything, and you can see it bellying there, and also on this side here, but not too bad compared to the other sides. This side with the solar panel on is actually the worst, and what's caused it is this beam here should have been turned the other way. It's a 2B1, but it's turned flat, so that the two's going this way and the one is going down this way. If it had been turned the other way, that's where more strength is in it, but that's a design of it. That was the design of the shed, which is wrong. It shouldn't have been designed like that. It should have been designed the other way, because you can see where it goes, especially where that knot is. So that's what's caused it. So the repair, I will be doing the repair at a later stage, and just doing this video just to show you what it is that is happening with my shed. And I will be making another video to show how I'm going to repair it, and then I'm out of breath now. Talking too much. And then I'll be okay for getting started on the next time. But today I'm just showing that, and then get my strength back. But that's the problem, and if I don't do it, it will cave in. Hopefully this wood here, which I've checked underneath there, if you can see, I've checked underneath there is no breakage on this. It hasn't snapped or anything, it's just bent. So hopefully I'll be able to straighten that up a lot easier. So that is that on that. So I will be showing that video of me repairing it. But when my assistant gets out the road, I'm just going to stand near the door. I'm not going out in the rain. But there's I'm further away from it when the light gets sorted out. But my assistant, the wife that is, she's worked hard. It's took her about 4 weekends. About 4 weekends there to do that. Don't leave that down. Leave that down. And that's what she's made. So can you guess what's under the tarpaulin? There's a shape of it. I'll get her to stand next to it so you can see, you can size it. Stand next to it there, will you? That's my assistant, wife that is. I wish I could trade her in for a younger model. Right, there she is there. So she's 5'2". Now let's make it 4'10". She's 5'2". There's the height of it, which you can see her head is just slightly bigger, well, slightly taller than it, and the width of it there. So, what's she done? What's she done? What's she done? Anyway, what was that? Sorry.
It's a mystery.
Oh, she said it's a mystery. The true mystery is that I didn't expect it to do a good job. And she's been using what's under that tarpaulin, which I can show you what's under that tarpaulin. Have a look under that. Lift that one up, please.
Just hide it all down.
No, just lift the front. Under that tarpaulin there is my table saw. And I'll do a review of that later on. Actually, I don't know if I've done one, but that's my table saw. She's been using that for that project there of hers that she decided she wanted to do. Anyway, on that note, thank you for coming to my channel. You know, I'll know what to do, press the buttons, all that lot. I'm not going to keep saying it well, I'll probably say this every video, but just do what you want, to be honest. I prefer to share it. Okay, on that note, thanks for coming to my channel.
Bye.
Goodbye.